Okay, so here's harvest 2023. We're picking a little corn. Got a special guest here, Violet and Jenny. There'll be Heidi Rademacher there in the grain cart, and here we go. We're gonna unload. And there you go. There it goes. Corn unloading on the go.
Like a marble race, Grandpa.
This corn was hailed lightly. Don't know for sure what it's making, but it's not too bad. I'll let you see the whole thing here. We're picking corn. Bad time for a slip clutch to go off. Picking corn. Unloading. And there you go. We'll give her a little bit more right before the end. So I'm guessing 30 acres left, maybe a little more. If we're really lucky, this will be on wheels. So have a nice day. Well, how do you stop it?